Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unlock your first mounted Pal in Palworld. And to do this, first we'll need to click on the escape and here move to technology. Now inside on level 6 you can find the saddle for Rashor and you can find Rashors. I'm gonna show you real quick where usually you'll be able to find them. So let's see habitat, and now this yellow marked space is where you can find them, and so just go there, tame them, then unlock level 6 and make this technology with the saddle. Also get your Pal gear workbench and you'll be able to ride your first mount. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.